Right, fifth one, Sima. Integral x into log 2x dx. Integral x into log 2x dx. Here f of x is equal to first function, log function. So f of x is equal to log 2x. So g of x is equal to x value. Then what we have done here, x integral x into log 2x dx is equal to f of x. Which function? My first function log 2x integral x into dx minus integral of f dash of x. So 1 by 2x into 2 value, 1 by 2x into 2 into integral x into dx whole dx value, that is equal to here, that is equal to x square by 2 into log 2x minus here 2 cancellation, again integral x means x square by 2, so integral of this value what we have done, 1 by x into x square by 2 dx value, that is equal to x square by 2 into log 2x minus 1 by 2 common if we taken integral here x cancellation x into dx value, then what we have done again x square by 4 value, so x square by 2 into log 2x minus 1 by 4 into x square plus c value. So this is the fifth one, and sixth one here same model. So integral x square into log x dx value, integral x square into log x dx, same model this one. Here also first function what we done here log x, second function what x square value. So first function means f of x is equal to log x, so g of x is equal to what here x square value. Now if you applying the integral x square log x dx is equal to what we done here integral log x square log x dx is equal to what we done here first function log x, first function what log x integral x square dx minus integral of this value how much here 1 by x integral of x square dx into dx value, that is equal to here x cube by 3 into this value log x minus integral of this value 1 by x into x cube by 3 into dx value, again here x square cancellation x cube by 3 into this value what we have done log x minus this one x square cancellation 1 by 3 common integral x square dx value, then finally what we have done here x cube by 3 into this value log x minus 1 by 3 into x cube by 3 plus c. So finally x cube by 3 into log x 1 by 9 into x cube plus c value, x cube plus c value, okay na, right. Seventh question, integral x into sine inverse x, integral x into sine inverse x dx. Here isolate word if you consider means in that isolate inverse, first function f of x is equal to sine inverse x, first function what sine inverse x, g of x is equal to x value, second function. Now substitute the formula, we are applying the formula x into sine inverse x dx is equal to f of x sine inverse x integral x into dx minus integral of f dash of x sine inverse x derivative 1 by 1 minus x square into integral of x dx value, x dx whole dx, that is equal to this value how much x square by 2 into sine inverse x minus integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into this value how much x square by 2 into dx, integral of x value. Now finally what we have done here x square by 2 into sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral of here x square value there here 1 minus, okay na, so minus x square then so this minus if we take on to the inside, then what we have done here minus x square by root of 1 minus x square into dx value. Now if we add plus 1 subtract the minus 1, then what we have done here x square by 2 into sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 integral of 1 minus x square minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx value, into dx value. Now if you separate the integral here, two parts, that is equal to what we have done here, x square by 2 into sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 integral, here see 1 minus x square by square root of 1 minus x square dx plus into minus minus 1 by 2 integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx value. Now again what we done here, x square by 2, this value sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 into integral square root of 1 minus x square dx minus 1 by 2. So this value how much integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx, a square minus dx value, sine inverse of x by a. So sine inverse x plus c value. So after then what would have done again here, x square by 2, then sine inverse x plus 1 by 2. Just now I revised 3 standard formulas. Okay na, root of a square minus x square, third formula, root of a square minus x square formula what x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x, sine inverse of x by a or 1, okay na, minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of x plus c value. Now simplifying this value, that is equal to x square by 2 sine inverse x plus x by 4 square root of 1 minus x square plus this value how much plus 1 by 4 into sine inverse of x minus 1 by 2 sine inverse of x plus c value. Okay na. Now here see sine inverse of x common there. Now x square by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse x plus x by 4 root of 1 minus x square plus c value. Now here LCM if you taken means 4 this value. So 2x square. So 4 means 1 value minus 2 value. 1 minus 2 means minus 1. Okay na, into sine inverse x plus x by 4 square root of 1 minus x square plus c value. Let's say similarly 8th one, integral x into tan inverse x dx value. Similarly integral x into tan inverse x dx value. So here also if you select the value f of x is equal to this value tan inverse x, g of x is equal to x value. Now see here what we have done, integral x into tan inverse x dx is equal to, so first f of x, first function, so tan inverse x integral x into dx, x into dx minus integral of this value tan inverse x derivative how much 1 by 1 plus x square into integral of x into dx whole dx, that is equal to here see x square by 2 into this value tan inverse x minus integral x square by 1 plus x square, but here 1 by 2 there no this one x square by 2 value, so 1 by 2 outside order, 1 by 2 into this value dx. Now again what we have done here, that is equal to x square by 2, this value tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral, if you add 1 and subtract the value, 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx value, and we separate the integral values. Then what we have done here, x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square dx value, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx value. Okay na. So first here see denominator 1 plus x square there, so that's why if you add 1 and subtract the 1 value. Now if you separate the integration, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 1 by, here minus into minus plus value. Now finally what we have done here, that is equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral 1 dx plus 1 by 2 into this value tan inverse of x plus c value. That is equal to here sigma. That is equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus c. Otherwise, if you want to take tan inverse of x plus 2 common means, then what we have done here, x square plus 1 by 2 into denominator same number. So this value what we have done here, tan inverse of x by 2 plus c value. So my ninth one, integral x into cos inverse x dx. Sima eighth one x into sin inverse x. Ninth one, seventh one x into sin inverse x. Eighth one x into tan inverse x. Similarly, this one also, if you select here f of x is equal to cos inverse x, g of x is equal to x. Okay na? So 7th, 8th same model, like that only if you applying this values f of x and g of x in the above formulas, by parts formula, then if you get the answer. You do that one, 9th one. Next 10th one sima. So 10th one, integral sine inverse x whole square dx. Integral sine inverse x whole square dx. Okay na? Here also sima sine inverse x whole square given, one function only given. So that's why what we select here. First, if we take the function f of x is equal to sine inverse x whole square and g of x is equal to one value. Anything not there, number 1. So that's why integral this value what we done sima sine inverse x whole square dx is equal to first function sine inverse x whole square. Okay na? Integral 1 dx minus integral of derivative of sine inverse x whole square means 2 into sine inverse x. Again sine inverse x derivative 1 minus x square integral 1 dx and whole dx value. Right, so my next value that is equal to x into sine inverse x, x into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 common taken 2 into integral of this value how much ma? Sine inverse x by root of 1 minus x square into again x dx value. Again ma x into dx value. Now how to simplifying this one sima? Again if you take this one x into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 into again here by parts formula f of x into g of x. F of x means what? Sine inverse x. G of x means what? X by root of 1 minus x square value. So that's why what we have done first here sine inverse x integral x by square root of 1 minus x square dx minus integral of, so derivative of sine inverse x 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into integral of x by, again what we have done here, integral of x by root of 1 minus x square dx whole dx value. Okay na? Sima here we observing ma. So first sine inverse x whole square given, here first function f of x, g of x, if we select the value, first we applying the by parts formula f of x into integral of g of x minus integral of f dash of x into integral of g of x dx value. Then if we get this value, and in here bracket two functions product there, two functions product what ma? Sine inverse x is the first function, x by root of 1 minus x square is the second function. So this term as it is written minus 2 into, again we applying the by parts formula in the bracket value. Now simplification sima here, that is equal to x into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 into here sine inverse x here integral x by root of 1 minus x square value there. Here suppose this value f of x 1 minus x square is equal to f of x derivative what minus 2x, here minus 2x if you want to, so minus 2 multiplying and minus 2 divisible, then if you get the value what 2 into root of f of x, 2 into root of 2 to cancellation minus, so finally if you get the answer here sine inverse of x into minus square root of 1 minus x square. Understood this formula? Integral f dash of x by root of f of x dx is equal to, already explained this formula, 2 into root of f of x. Now if we balancing this value minus 2 and 1 by minus 2. So 1 by minus 2 into root of 2 into square root of 2 to cancellations minus square root of 1 minus x square value. Minus here sima integral of this value there nama. Integral of this value 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Again this form value how much here? Minus square root of 1 minus x square into dx value 1 minus x square ma cancellation. Then what we will see here, that is equal to x into sine inverse x whole square, minus into minus ma plus. Then what we will here, square root of 1 minus x square into sine inverse x. Okay, now again minus into minus ma plus, plus into minus ma minus. This value what we will here, 2 into x plus c value. Okay, na? So minus into minus ma plus, plus into minus minus 2x value. Okay, na? So this is the solution for the given relation. Right here, see ma multiple. So minus 2 into sine inverse of this value, minus into minus plus. So that's why what we have done here, 2 into square root of 1 minus x square sine inverse of x. Again here minus into minus ma plus, plus into minus minus 2x plus c value. 11th one, see ma, integral x into cos inverse x by square root of 1 minus x square dx. 1 minus x square dx. Here also same ma. So if we take the value f of x is equal to cos inverse x, g of x is equal to how much ma, x by square root of 1 minus x square value. Now by parts formula, integral x into cos inverse x by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to, so this value what we are doing here, cos inverse x integral x by square root of 1 minus x square dx minus integral f dash of minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into integral, this value how much ma, integral of x by square root of 1 minus x square dx whole dx value. So that is equal to this one, see ma, cos inverse x. So previously also explained same this one formula, integral f dash of x by f of x, root of f of x, 2 into f of x. But here minus there no ma, here minus value not there. So minus 2 and minus 2. So that's why minus square root of 1 minus x square value. Next minus into minus ma plus integral, this value what we have done here, so 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into, again what we have done here, minus square root of 1 minus x square into ma dx value. So these two are cancellation. Then see ma, that is equal to what we have done, minus square root of 1 minus x square cos inverse x plus into minus ma minus integral, this value ma 1 dx. So finally if we have done here, minus half square root of 1 minus x square cos inverse x plus c value. Right, 12th one, see ma. So 12th one, integral x into secant square x dx value. Okay na? Here selection means what ma, islet means algebraic trigonometric next function. So that's why x into integral, this value what ma, here secant square x dx minus integral of derivative of the first function 1, integral of this value ma secant square x dx into again ma dx value. Now see ma, this value what we have done, x into tan x minus integral of this value what ma, again tan x dx value, that is equal to x into tan x minus log of secant x, this value what ma, log of mod secant x plus c value. Otherwise sine by cos if you have done means plus log of cos x plus c, anyone. So correct answer. Next 13th one. So 13th one what given, see ma, integral only tan inverse x given, only tan inverse x. Here selection what ma, only tan inverse x means f of x is equal to inverse function, first function tan inverse x, and g of x is equal to what ma, constant value. Then what we substituted here, integral tan inverse x dx is equal to first function tan inverse x integral 1 dx minus integral of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square integral 1 dx whole dx value, that is equal to, see ma. So that is equal to, next what we have done here, that is equal to one derivative x into this value ma tan inverse x value minus integral of this value ma x by 1 plus x square dx value. Then again what we have done, that is equal to x into tan inverse x minus integral f dash of x by f of x. So that's why if balancing this value means 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square dx value, that is equal to x into tan inverse x 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square plus c value. Okay na? So write 14th also see ma, 14th question also see ma here. Here 14th bit given ma, integral x into log x whole square given. X into log x whole square dx. So already if you know that here log function means f of x function. So that is equal to what we have done first, log x whole square integral x into dx minus integral of, so log x whole square number differentiation 2 into log x by x, 2 into log x by x integral x into dx whole dx value. Then what we run again see here, that is equal to x square by 2 into log x whole square minus 2 into integral of here log x by x into x square by 2 into dx value. That is equal to what we run here, x square by 2 into log x whole square minus multiplying with 2 to cancellation, x square cancellation, again integral of this value how much ma, x into log x dx value, x into log x dx. Again we are applying the x into log x dx formula. Then what we have done here, x square by 2 into this value ma, log x whole square minus integral of log x into, so this value what we have done here, log x, integral of x means value how much ma, x square by 2 minus integral of log x 1 by x, integral of x means again what ma, x square by 2 into dx value, x square by 2 into dx value. Right, next continuation here see ma. So that continuation here see ma. So that continuation what we have done here, that is equal to x square by 2 into log x whole square, log x whole square minus this value how much ma here, x square by 2 into again log x minus into minus ma plus. So here x 2 value there, so 1 by 2 common there no ma, 1 by 2 common, x square cancellation no ma, again what we have done here, x square by 2 plus c. Then finally if you have done the value, x square by 2 into log x whole square minus x square by 2 into log x plus x square by 4 plus c value. Right, 15th one see ma, 15th question, integral x square plus 1 into log x dx, integral x square plus 1 into ma log x dx. Here also log function there no ma, first if you have done here log x integral x square plus 1 into dx minus integral this value f dash of x 1 by x into integral x square plus 1 into ma dx whole dx value. Now what we have done here, that is equal to log x into this value ma, x cube by 3 plus x value minus integral 1 by x, this value also ma, x cube by 3 plus x into dx value. Then what we have done here, that is equal to x cube by 3 plus x into log x minus integral, here see ma, x cube plus x there no, x common if you taken means x cancellation, x square by 3 plus 1 into dx value, that is equal to finally x cube by 3 plus x into ma log x minus this one x cube by, so x cube by 3 no ma, 3 3s are 9 minus x plus c value. See ma, here another one formula there ma, integral, this is important for CET also ma, important for CET also, integral e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So this related some questions given ma. So next 16th question given related this problem, here what given see ma, integral e power x into sine x plus cos x into dx. So this related problem what was integral e power x into sin x plus cos x into dx. So in this function is comparing with, so this one we comparing with above formula integral e power x f of x plus f dash of x. We don't know here f of x f dash of x. First we select the f of x, then opposite value is the f dash of x. So suppose if we taken sin x derivative what ma, cos x. So that's why it select the value here f of x is equal to sin x, then f dash of x is equal to how much more? Cos x value. Now this answer what we done here, integral e power x into sin x plus cos x dx is equal to e power x into f of x. E power x into f of x means sin x plus c value. Okay na? Right. Next 17th bit ma, 17th integral x into e power x, integral x into e power x by 1 plus x whole square dx value. First we separate this value, comparing with the standard form e power x into, here x only there nama, 1 plus x minus 1 by this value 1 plus x whole square into dx, whole square into dx. So here only e power x separated, x value there, numerator 1 plus x. So if you add 1 and subtract the 1 value. Now if you separate this value, integral e power x into 1 plus x by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx value. Now first one what we done here, that is equal to integral e power x into 1 by 1 plus x value, cancellation there, minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square into dx value. Now if we take the value f of x is equal to, here ma, f of x is equal to 1 plus x, 1 by 1 plus x, f dash of x is equal to how much here, minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Now answer what we done here, e power x into f of x 1 by 1 plus x plus c value, 1 by 1 plus x plus c value. 18th ma, this is important and previous question also, CET and board question also ma, this one, e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus this value how much more, cos x dx value. First we simplifying the trigonometric formulas, that is equal to integral e power x 1 plus sin x by this value what we done here, 2 cos square x by 2 into dx value, that is equal to integral e power x 1 by 2 into cos square x by 2 plus here sin x there no ma, sin x how to write here, 2 into sin x by 2 and again cos x by 2 divides 2 cos square x by 2 into dx value. Now simplifying this value, see ma, integral e power x, this value ma, 1 by 2 into this value how much, secant square x by 2. So 2 cancellation, cos cancellation, sin by cos, tan x by 2 into dx value. Now if we take the value here, f of x is equal to tan x by 2. Now what is the derivative of f dash of x, is equal to 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2. So that's why answer what we done with this value, that is equal to e power x into tan x by 2 plus c value. So 8th answer. Once again see here, 1 plus sin x, 1 minus 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. Now 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 sin. Sin formula what, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 cancellation, cos cancellation, sin by cos, tan. So this value, tan if we take derivative, f of x means f of x derivative what, 1 by 2 into secant square, f of x plus f dash of x into e power x. So e power x into f of x plus c value. So right, 19th sima, 19th bit, integral 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx value, integral e power x there ma, here e power x, integral e power x into 1 by 1 minus x, 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Here what we done ma, f of x is equal to 1 by x, then f dash of x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So that's why answer what ma, e power x into 1 by x plus c value. Next 20 bit, this is also important ma, previous CET bit this one. So integral, this value what we done see ma, here x minus 3 by this value how much there here, x minus 1 whole cube into e power x value into dx. Now this one if you simplifying this value, then what we done see ma, here integral e power x into this value ma, x minus 1 x minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube into dx value, that is equal to integral e power x, integral ma, e power x. So x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube into dx value, into dx value, that is equal to integral e power x into, here see ma, cancellation this value. So 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube into dx. For example, if we take my here f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Now derivative the derivative what from here 1 by x is equal to minus 2 into x power minus 3 value, means minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube value. Now so that is the second one. Then what would an answer here, that is equal to e power x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c value. Let's see 21 bit integral e power 2x into sine x dx. Okay na? Here two functions there if you applying the by parts formula. So first function what we select here, f of x is equal to trigonometric function sine x, exponential last function. So that's why what we are done here, first function is the trigonometric function. This value what we are done, sine x integral e power 2x dx minus integral of this value f dash of x. F dash of x means what we are done here, cos x integral e power 2x dx into dx value, that is equal to, here see that is equal to sine x e power 2x by 2 minus integral of this value cos x as it is there here. So this value e power 2x by 2 into dx value. Okay na? Now if we consider this value, suppose I, this total value if we consider I is equal to integral e power 2x into sin x dx. Why you consider, now explain that, why you take that I value, I explain here. So now here see this value e power 2x by 2 into this value what we have done, sin x minus 1 by 2 integral again if you run here cos x into e power 2x by parts formula. So cos x into e power x means cos x is the first function, cos x integral e power 2x dx minus integral of this value cos x derivative minus sin x. So minus sin x integral e power 2x into dx whole dx value into dx whole dx value. Okay na? So next what we are done here, that is equal to e power 2x by 2 into sin x minus again here what we are done 1 by 2 integral of this value integral of, so here integral not required. So of this value what we are done here cos x e power 2x by 2 plus again what we are done here plus this value what we have done here, again if you have done the value integral, this value there integral of this value what we have done here sin x as it is there e power 2x by 2 into dx value. Now see that is equal to e power 2x by 2 into sin x 1 by 4 into this value cos x e power 2x plus this value again minus this value what we have done minus 1 by 4 integral sin x e power 2x dx. Again if we are applying the by part formula, this is the repeated form. So that's why whenever this type of there means if we consider I value, again if we replace here I, then what we have done here e power 2x by 2 into sin x minus 1 by 4 cos x e power 2x minus 1 by 4 into I value into I. Now I taken on to this side I plus I by 4 is equal to e power 2x by 2 this value sin x minus 1 by 4 cos x e power 2x cos x e power 2x here plus c after integration plus c. So this value also plus c value. Now this one how much written here 5I by 4 is equal to e power 2x by 2 into sin x minus 1 by 4 cos x e power 2x plus c value. Okay na? Here LCM if you taken means 4, then what would have done 4 LCM means here 5I by 4 is equal to 2 into e power 2x sin x minus cos x e power 2x plus 4c value at 4 cancellation, 4 cancellation, finally I is equal to 2 by 5 or e power 2x by 5 2 into sin x minus this value cos x plus c. Here c is equal to means 4c 4 by 5 by c is equal to 4c by 5 is equal to c value. Right, 22 Sima, integral sine of 2x by 1 plus x square dx given. Here if we take the substitution, x is equal to tan theta, then theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now we are applying the derivative, dx is equal to how much ma? Secant square theta d theta value. Now these values substituting in the above integral. Integral sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta dx is equal to how much ma? Secant square theta d theta. Now sine inverse of sine 2 theta secant square theta d theta. Sine inverse of sine x is equal to x, means 2 theta, 2 multiple, so theta into secant square theta d theta right. Now if you are applying the by parts formula, theta into means f of x into integral g of x minus integral of f dash of x theta 1, so integral of secant square theta d theta into d theta. Next, so 2 into theta secant square tan theta minus here secant square theta is equal to what? Tan theta, integral of tan theta d theta. Now multiplying with the 2, so 2 theta into tan theta minus 2 into, so integral of tan theta d theta is equal to what? Minus log of secant theta plus c. Now 2 theta plus tan inverse x, tan theta is equal to x minus 2 into log of secant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta square root of 1 plus x square value. So again 2 taken onto the power whole power 1 by 2 whole square, both are cancellation. Again if you get the value 1 plus x square plus c value. Okay na? Here Sima, exercise questions over ma, choose the correct answer. Objective type 2 bits given here. So 23rd bit given ma, 23rd integral x square into e power x cube dx given. Integral x square into e power x cube dx. So here if we take substitution ma, x cube is equal to t rather. X cube is equal to t means 3x square, 3 into x square dx is equal to dt. Then x square dx is equal to how much more? Dt by 3 value. So integral x square e power x cube dx is equal to x square dx is equal to dt by 3 value. Integral this value how much more? E power t value. Now what we are done here, that is equal to 1 by t e power t plus c, that is equal to 1 by 3 e power x cube plus c value, 1 by 3 e power x cube plus c. So option A is correct, right? Next one Sima, 24th bit given, integral e power x into secant x into 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x dx given, that is equal to what we are Sima here, integral e power x into this value ma secant x plus secant x into tan x dx right. Previously explained on formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Suppose f of x is equal to, if we take the value secant x, then f dash of x is equal to how much ma? Secant x into tan x, secant x into ma tan x. So that's why answer what we are done here, e power x into f of x means ma e power x into secant x plus c value, e power x into secant x plus c. So option B is correct. So this option is B. Right, Sima, last class we discussed, so we derived these 3 standard result formulas. Now next exercise totally depends on these 3 standard result formulas. Now if you are solving the problems, these problems are important in 5 marks question. Already I told them these 3 and 6 result there, 5, so totally 9. So there he given attached one problem given 1 mark question, that is in this exercise given. This is only for 4 marks, 4 plus 1, that 1 mark this related problems given. Okay na? Now we start that exercise 7.7, exercise 7.7. So first question, integral square root of 4 minus x square dx. Integral square root of 4 minus x square dx. Now here Sima, we convert it into standard form. Integral square root of 4 means 2 square minus x square dx value. Now we comparing the above 3 result. Which formula we comparing here? Here Sima, third one, integral square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to, then what we are done, x is equal to x only, a is equal to 2 value. Now if you substitute the value here, x by 2 square root of again 2 square means 4 minus x square plus a square, a is equal to how much ma? 2, 2 square means 4, so 4 by 2 into this value ma sine inverse of, this value how much here, sine inverse of x by a is equal to 2 plus c value. Now if you simplifying this value, that is equal equal to x by 2 square root of 4 minus x square plus 2 into sine inverse of x by 2 plus c value. Okay na? So this type of question given, must and should be applying that result, and we prove the formula and we prove the result. Second one same in that exercise only. Second question, integral square root of 1 minus 4x square dx value. 1 minus 4x square dx. Here if we take a common 4 and we substitute the value, otherwise substitution also written, no problem. So just we converted this value, integral square root of 1 minus 2x whole square into dx. Now if we take the substitution, what we done here, 2x is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of 2x? 2 into dx, that implies 2 into dx is equal to dt value. Now dx is equal to what? Dt by 2. Now value, integral square root of 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square into dt by 2 into dt by 2. Now what we remember, that is equal to 1 by integral 1 minus t square means a square minus t square into d square. Again same this third formula. Then what we done here, x by 2 means t by 2. T by 2 square root of 1 minus t square plus a square 1 by 2 into sine inverse of t by x by a nama, t by 2. T by 2 x by means t by 1. T by 1 plus c value plus c. In place we substitute the t value and multiplying this value, that is 2. Here how much more here? T is equal to 2x. So 2x by 2. So 2 cancellation, x there. Then what here? X by 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4 sine inverse of 2x plus c value. Okay na? So that is the related with that result if you prove the problems. Third one, third question, integral square root of x square plus 4x plus 6, 4x plus 6 dx. Okay na? Now if you find out this one, but whenever this type of quadratic expression given means root or root given means, then we convert it into perfect square formula. Then what we done here, x square, first we simplifying perfect square, x square plus 4x plus 6. Then this value how to run? X square plus 2 into x into 2, 4s are. Okay na? Now here extra term 4 means 4 plus 6 minus 4 value. First 3 terms what we done here, x plus 2 whole square, 6 minus 4, 2. So this value root 2 whole square value, root 2 whole square. Now if we find out this integral value, integral square root of x square plus 4x plus 6 dx is equal to integral square root of this value x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square. This value root 2 into whole square dx. Now to the formula. Which formula in 3 result? X square plus a square. X square plus a square, second one. Then what here? X plus 2 by 2 into square root of this value how much more? X square plus a square value here. X square plus a square value. Then what we done here? X square plus a square means x plus 2 whole square. This value again root 2 whole square plus, okay na, a square by 2. 2 square means 2. 2 by 2 into log of this value x plus 2 plus square root of this value again how much we done here? X plus 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus c value. Again if you want to write simplification, x plus 2 by 2 into square root of this total value is equal to 2 by 2 1 log of, next what we done here, log of x plus 2 plus square root of this value again x square plus 4x plus 6 x square plus 4x plus 6 plus c value. Okay na? So next Here fourth bit sima, integral square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 dx value. Same question, this type of model only, just we convert it into perfect square form. So first what we done here, x square 4x plus 1 is equal to x square 2 into x into 2 plus 4 1 minus 4 value. Okay, now this value, if you want to write on this value, x plus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square minus root 3 whole square value. Then if you write on integral square root of this value, x square plus 4x plus 1 dx is equal to integral square root of this value, x plus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square value. Now dx. Now if you substituted which formula, this one, x square minus a square dx. So first formula. Then what we done here, that is equal to x plus 2 by 2 into square root of x plus 2 whole square plus minus root 3 whole square minus a square by 2. A square by 2 means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 log of this value x plus 2 plus square root of again this value radam x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c value. Okay na? So finally if you want to radam x plus 2 by 2 into square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 3 by 2 into log of x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c value. Right, next one, fifth one, same model, integral square root of 1 minus 4x minus x square dx. Okay, na? Now if we take that 1 minus 4x minus x square is equal to minus half x square plus 4x minus 1. Okay, ma? First if we take that given expression and we take the minus common. Why means here x square coefficient is negative. So whenever negative means if we take common, after then if you simplifying that given expression. So x square plus 4x minus 1 value. Now how to simplifying this value? Minus half this value x square plus 2 into x plus 2. So that's why plus 4 minus 1 value. That is equal to minus half this value x plus 2 whole square minus root 5 whole square value. Now minus common if we take it means what we are here, integral of square root of 1 minus 4x minus x square dx is equal to integral of square root of root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square dx is equal to by a square x square formula. Third one, x by 2 means x plus 2 by 2 value into square root of that value is equal to again 1 minus 4x minus x square plus a square by 2. So 5 by 2 into sine inverse of x plus by 2. X by 2 means x plus 2 by a is equal to root 5 plus c value. Root 5 plus c value. Okay, na? Right. Next one, sixth, fifth one over, and sixth one same. This type of model only. So sixth question, so sixth one what given here? Square root of x square plus 4x minus 5. Same model. Integral square root of x square minus 4x minus 5 dx value. Okay, na? So otherwise, right, this one how to simplify here? X square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 2 into x 2 plus 4 minus 4 minus 5. That is equal to this value x plus 2 whole square minus 9 value. X plus 2 whole square. This value 3 square value. Now if you substitute this integral square root of x square plus 4x minus 5 dx, integral square root of this value again x plus 2 whole square minus 3 square dx. Which formula? Integral x square minus a square formula, first formula. So that's why what we are done here, x by 2 means x plus 2 by 2 into square root of that given value x square plus 4x minus 5 minus a square by 2. A square by 2 means 9 by 2. A square means 3. So a square by 2, 9 by 2. Next, log of this value what we are done here, x plus 2 plus square root of that value what here, x square plus 4x minus 5 plus c value. Right. Seventh one, Sima. Integral square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square dx. So already explained this same model. So if you take the value 1 plus 3x minus x square minus half, here what we have done here, x square minus 3x minus 1 value. Okay, na? X square negative, minus common taken, positive, negative, negative. Now if you simplifying this, that is equal to minus half. Here what we have done, x square minus, here see 2 multiple not there, so 3. So that's why multiplying and divisible with 2. 2 into x, 3 by 2 plus, here extra term means 3 by 2. So 9 by 4. This value what we have done here, 9 by 4 minus 1 minus 9 by 4 value. First 3 terms, that is equal to this value x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus LCM if you take it means minus 4 plus minus 9 minus 13. So minus 13 root 13 by 2 whole square value, that is equal to what we have done here, root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square value. Now this integral we substituted here, integral square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square dx is equal to integral square root of root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx is equal to which formula this one, a square minus x square, third result. Then what we have done here, first x minus 3 by 2 divides 2 square root of this value how much here, 1 minus x square plus a square by 2 means 13 by 8, 13 by 8 already. A square means value how much here, root 13 by 2 whole square means 13 by 4, 13 by 4 by 2 means a square by 2 means 13 by 8. Then what we have done here, sine inverse of this value x minus 3 by 2 divides a is equal to root by 2 plus c value. Otherwise if you want to write simplification, then what we have done here, LCM 2 value, 2x plus 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 by 4 square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square plus 13 by 8 into sine inverse of this value 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 by 2 root 13 plus c value, root 13 plus c value. Eighth one, Sima. So eighth one, integral square root of x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x. Okay na? So this one if you convert it, perfect square means square root of this value x square as is written 2 into x into 3 by 2. Just now only explained in the seventh question. Then what we have done here, x plus 3 by 2 divides 2 into square root of this value how much, x square plus 3x minus a square by 2. A square by 2 means a square means value how much, a means 3 by 2, a square means 9 by 4, 9 by 8, 9 by 8 into log of x plus 3 by 2 plus square root of x square plus 3x plus c. Otherwise if you want to simplify, it is equal to 2x plus 3 by 4 square root of x square plus 3x minus 9 by 8 into log of x plus 3 by 2 plus square root of x square plus 3x plus c value. Okay, ma? So this is the 8th one. Next, ninth one. Integral square root of 1 plus x square by 9 dx given. So first we find out the LCM here. LCM we want to find out means integral square root of 9 plus x square by 9 dx. So by means 1 by 3 integral square root of x square plus 3 square into dx. Means what, my x square plus a square formula. Second formula if we taken means 1 by 3 into x by 2 square root of x square plus 9 plus a square. A square means 9. 9 by 2 log of x plus square root of x square plus 9 plus c value plus c. Now see ma, that is equal to x by 6 square root of x square plus 9 plus ma 3 ones are 3. So 3 by 2 log of this value ma x plus square root of x square plus 9 plus c value. Right, Sima? So exercise questions over ma, e given objective bits given. So 10th one Sima, objective bit this one, 10th one integral same models square root of 1 plus x square dx. Then how to run this value? That is equal to integral square root of 1 square plus x square dx. Second formula, x square plus a square formula. Then what we run here? X by 2 square root of 1 plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square plus c value. So x by 2 square root of 1 plus x square, 1 by 2 log of x plus option A, this one. Option A. And similarly 11th one given, 11th bit integral square root of this value x square minus 8x plus 7 dx value. So already explained now this type of models. So first x square minus 8x plus 7. So first we select this expression, x square minus 8x plus 7 is equal to x square minus 2 into x plus into 4. Then if we add 16, so 16 plus 7 minus 16, then what we done my here? What we done here? X square minus a square formula. First formula number. So that's why x minus 4 by 2 into square root of this value x square minus 8x plus 7 minus a square by 2, 9 by 2 log of this value x minus 4 plus square root of x square minus 8x plus 7 plus c value. So which option here, Sima? This one 1 by 2 x minus 4 square root of x square minus 8x plus 7 minus 9 by 2 log of x minus 4 plus x square minus 7x means option D correct, this one. So this one option D is correct.